Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video we will learn how we can change the file permissions. If you want to make a file read only, then how you can do that. So we will see in this video. So before going to that, I would like to tell about the file permissions. There are actually three file permissions represented by 3 bits. First bit represents owner, second bit represents group, and third bit represents others. These are the permission level accesses, and each has read write and executable access, so you can actually give the bit accordingly. So I want to give the read access to my file, so I took one to the owner. Actually I wanted to give the owner permission for read only, so I kept it as 1. So let's check it out. I have a file abc.txt in my base location where my file is, where this Python file is, and then I have imported OS module. Then I have given the permission as 400. We need to provide the permission in octal format, so I have written 00400, which means we are providing owner level access of read only, right? Now how to change this? We have a method os.chmod, and there we need to provide the file path and the permission. Okay, now let's print file permission changed to read only, right? This will change your file permission. Now we want to see if this is actually changing. Now to see if the permission has been changed, we can use the os.access method to check if the file is changed to read only. For that, what we can do, we can use if os.access. os.access is the method where you can check if the file is read only, write only, or executable only. So os.access, there we need to provide the file path, and then we need to check a flag, that is r OK, followed by os.r_ok. Right, now print the message, file is readable. If the access is not read only, then else print file not readable. Let's do it to check write operations as well, if it has the right access or not, right? For that, what we can do, instead of r we need to write w, and here we can say writable, or here writable. Save this and run this. So you can see file permission changed to read only, then it says file is readable. Let's correct the spelling, run this again. File is readable, file not writable. Right, now looking at the code, it is clear that I'm able to read this but not write this file, right? So let's check here. This is the file. Now if I write something here, let's say I am trying to write. Okay, now if you go and save this, it will ask to save the file. If you go and click on save, it says file is already existed, do you want to replace it? Yes. Now if you see, this is saying this file is set to read only, try again with a different file name. If you want to save this file with the same name, you cannot do that because it is a read only file. You can save this with a different file name, right? So this is how you can actually change the permission of a file using Python. Now if you want to give permission to write, what you can do, now you can change the permission to Control C, you can change the permission to 7. Now if you see here, if I change it to 7, it means it will have access to read, write and execute. So I'll give it as 700, and then okay, now it has read, write and executable accesses. Now check again all this. Right, file permission changed to read, write and execute. Save this and run this. You can see file permission changed to read, write and execute only. File is readable, file is writable. Now let's do the same thing. Now if I want to just first close this file, now open this up and now write yes, yes. Save this, file, save. So the file is saved now. It is not giving any error. So this is how you can change the file permission and check the access if it is having read, write or executable. Thank you.